You're taking a drug and you've been injured. You're reading about it in the paper and you see that other people have been injured by the same drug. You want to call a lawyer. You want to find out if you have legal rights. You want to know, can you bring a lawsuit? Does it have to be part of a class action? These are questions that people ask all the time. My name is Melanie Muhlstock. I'm an attorney with Parker Waichman, and I can answer questions like these and others that you may have. Oftentimes, when a drug is recalled or is causing problems with many people, individuals bring individual lawsuits. But those individual lawsuits are often coordinated into more global type proceedings. And those proceedings, although people may call them class actions, are not class actions. Class actions are a very specific type of legal proceeding under the law. And in that type of proceeding, there is one or a handful of individuals that act in a single lawsuit on behalf of a very large group of individuals. What happens oftentimes in an injury case, such as the one you may be contemplating filing, is that a large number of individuals have individual claims for their own injuries that may be different, and those injuries are coordinated with lots of individual lawsuits in proceedings in different places. So for example, in the federal court system, there is a proceeding called the multi-district litigation. And if you've read about any of these proceedings, they are sometimes referred to as MDL for short, multi-district proceedings, MDL. These are proceedings by which lawsuits that are filed in federal courts across the country are all brought to one federal district judge in one court, in one jurisdiction, and they move together as a single proceeding for the purposes of organizing resources and using judicial resources, conserving them, so that everyone can join forces to litigate their cases together. However, at the end of the day, each case must rise and fall on its own merit. This is what's called a multi-district proceeding. And in certain courts across the country, in different state court venues, there are also coordinated proceedings. These may have different names. They could be called multi-county proceedings. They could be called coordinated proceedings. However, they all serve the same purpose: to conserve judicial resources, to give litigants the opportunity to work together for effective and efficient resolution of their cases, but also to keep their cases individual so that they are all treated fairly. My name is Melanie Muhlstock. I am happy to discuss these issues with you and any other questions you may have as to how to bring a lawsuit if you've been injured by taking a pharmaceutical product. Thank you and have a nice day.